We have no other person than the almighty Speedy Darlington, guys!
How can a person find with your big nyash?
Hold on.
Come closer, come closer.
70 years old.
It's soft. I think I find her.
Oh, my country people, today's show go sweet. Bye. Happy in this show. If your body no full, no join body. Guys, will come this show better get yash. Because happy go use mouth finish. Oh, Jesus. I can't wait to watch this episode though. Normally I know they take this Nons Miraj show play. I'm just happy. Hey God, like I don't on my timer. They wait for this episode to drop. Hey Jesus, it go make sense. This happy to get bad mouth. Hey God, we don't hear waiting. He tell the other first girl, how can a girl be fine without yash? Hey God, happy. Oh, I can't wait. I hear say he dey look for wife. Make I play this video, make una hear.
I don't find somebody when I want carry go out. But I see Nigeria day, I know too know much about how to date for here. I see in America now, I know where to go, you feel me? And then they finish here with Silima. Nigeria, I don't even know what I want to do with this girl like this. I swear, this country tire my brain. If no be the small shows and the entertainment money where they find me, my name a man or Dubani.
We are the Nations girls. If you know say you dey capable and you dey eligible, go and apply. Happy the president, they look for wife. He talk say he won't settle down. So rush now and go and apply. Make sure you gather. Make sure you are fine. You have a fine face. You have big ikebe. Cause now the only two things we fit attract our happy with this. Make we shall know if he will find true love in this hunt game show. We go they play today. Make we shall they wait. I can't wait to watch this episode. Seriously, guys. Once it's 6 p.m., I'm dropping this video. Make sure you go to Nons Miraj on YouTube, search for it. You will see this episode now dropping in her YouTube channel. Make sure you watch it. Okay, my people, make I rush go YouTube, make I go watch my own. Stay safe out there. Still one and only Amiable Girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. It will give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Bye.